Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering off or locking the watch to avoid taps and screen changes. This keeps the process safe. Once done, place the watch face down on a soft, flat surface and move small parts into a tray so nothing gets lost. You need to identify the band type. Quick-release pins look like tiny levers, slide-in bands have a release button, and lug pin styles use small screws or spring bars. Knowing which you have determines the removal tool and method. You now remove the band. Choose the right tool, spring bar tool for spring pins, a small flat implement for tabs, or the built-in release on some models. Once you press or compress the release, slide the strap straight out to avoid bending pins. Slow, steady motion prevents damage. Make sure to work one side at a time so the watch stays supported. After removing the band, inspect the pins and connectors for wear or dirt, so you know whether to clean or replace parts. You install the new strap by aligning the connector and compressing the pin or engaging the latch until you hear or feel the secure click. Proper seating prevents accidental release. Once both sides are installed, test stability by giving a gentle tug and rotating the band to make sure it stays put. If something feels loose, remove and reseat the pin, clean debris, or use the correct sized replacement pin. If pins get stuck, apply a tiny drop of lubricant and work carefully to avoid scratching the watch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.